canvases. Today I have an unboxing of one of my new favorite canvases, so I'm hoping that it lives up to its hype. This is my cat Zuzu, but we will be unboxing this canvas by Distracted by Diamonds. This is my first unboxing of them ever. I'm really excited. This canvas was sent to me by Sandra West. Thank you so much, Sandra. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. Thank you. So let's get into this. Before we do though, if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on a regular basis. Please ignore my dinged up floor. Got my trusty scissors or skizzers. Got my skizzers, as Abigail and Jenny would say. My skizzers. Aren't you like 43 years old, Abigail? Should you still be saying skizzers? Just wondering. Okay, so let's open up this baby. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh, okay. Let's pull out. This is the kit that you get. You get a 4-placer, a diamond painting pen, a MOSFET tray, and 2 plates of wax, or one 2-piece thing of wax. Flip out the diamonds. Here are the drills. We'll take a look at them afterwards. I want to throw the canvas backwards. Oh, neat. Here you get an inventory sheet. So here's a bigger picture. And here's some information about the artist, Bumblebee by Jazmin Castillo. Different type of diamond painting company. With the help of my experienced production team, amazing product manners, blah, blah, blah. Excuse me, Zuzu. We strive to bring you special paintings with artwork that is hand-chosen and responsibly sourced. And I'm not going to read the rest, but if you want to, you can. This is where you would buy Distracted by Diamonds at their Etsy shop. I'll put their information down below. They also make patty wax. And here's a look at the schematic for this painting. And now let us look at the painting. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. It's not going to all fit in the frame. Can I make it fit in the frame? Let's see. So it's not all going to fit in the frame of the camera. But look at it. It's so pretty. And then, so at the top, we have Distracted by Diamonds. On the right-hand side, we have the thumbnail. This painting measures 52 by 67 centimeters. Here's the color list that we looked at before. It's going to be 42 colors. On the bottom left-hand side, we have the schematic again. And at the very bottom of the canvas, we have Bumblebee by Jazmin Castillo. Wow, this is really beautiful. Let's take a closer look at the canvas. Okay, so that was a tour of the overall canvas. Let's take a closer look at the drill field. This is poured glue, so that's awesome. So this D symbol, it's dark on dark, so that might be hard for you to see. If you do use a light pad, it should be fine. With the naked eye, it's not that difficult to see like I thought it might be, but it's not actually. The symbols do look clear. I'm not seeing anything blurry. Do you guys see anything blurry? I'm not seeing any blurry symbols. This is a square diamond painting, I should also mention, if I didn't before. Look at that little heart on the bee. That's so cute. And his little butt. Here's his butt. Wow, this is so pretty. Thank you so much again to Sandra West for sending it to me. We'll take a look at the drills. Are there any special diamonds that come with this? No, so it doesn't look like there's ABs or anything like that, but Sandra did send along some sparklers for squares, so I'm going to add those in somewhere. I'm not sure where because I'm not one to usually add in extra drills or add in extra sparkly things, so it's going to be a new thing to me. Move this away a little bit. Here are the drills. And it looks like they organize so when you get them on the drill trains, it looks like they organize them from smallest DMC code to largest. So it just keeps increasing. Let's take a look at the quality of some of these. So here's the 310. Camera doesn't want to focus. Focus, camera. Thank you. So the drills look good. I don't see, come on camera. I don't see any like trash or anything like that. And I like checking the 310s because those will be the trashiest. Yeah, the squares look good. I'm excited for this kit. I'm not even going to try and attempt to put these back in the bag because I'll fail miserably. I'm actually going to kit this up right away. So this is Bumblebee by Jazmin Castillo. I really like it. I love how the bee is outlined in white. I think that'll look really pretty and make it stand out. I love the shape, like the frame kind of behind the bee. It looks really nice. I'm excited to do this. It looks like it will be color blocking with a little bit of confetti, which is great because that's the kind of canvas I like to do. I like to do more color blocking than confetti. What are your guys' thoughts on this canvas? Do you have it? To get this canvas, you will have to fight a little bit or be patient, I guess, as well, because Distracted by Diamonds only puts up canvases at specific times of the day. So you can head over to their Etsy and read the seller's note or introduction on their Etsy page, and it will tell you what times they put up products. They also sell patty wax, so that's awesome. And I'm excited for this bee. He's so cute. Should we name him? Should we name him something? I don't know what. Maybe Bert the bee? That's too typical. No, so we won't name him Bert the bee. Anyways, let me know your thoughts on this canvas below. Do you have a Distracted by Diamonds? What's your experience with them? Do you have this bee canvas? Do you want this bee canvas? Tell me everything. And if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And I'm so excited to do this bee. Yay! Okay, I'll shut up now. Bye!